Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can update iOS 17, 16, and 15 using mobile data on any iPhone. Obviously, my iPhone's already updated, but you're just going to go to automatic updates first, and then you're going to disable install iOS updates. Go back to the general here and go to date and time. You're going to turn off the set automatically. And you're going to select the date here, and you're going to select it like one step ahead. Then you're just going to update your software. But once you're done, you're going to go to automatic updates and make sure you have this enabled again. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.